Try by bike, people. Oh, can't help but wheelie, man. Too fun, too fun. Oh, it's been too long. A whole 8 hours of work. Ooh. Nice. Testing out some new camera settings as well. When having a proper fiddle around with them, I can't really figure out half the time if I like the settings I've chosen or not. Need to try and reel it in a bit. I don't mind commuting on a bike at the moment, but what I will say is it's like with all these niggly bits that has happened to the bike in the time that I've had it, because I bought it on 9,000 miles, I've done 8,000 miles in 6 months, and that's just commuting and leisure riding, but the damage and just the wear and tear the bike sustains is just fucking upsetting, really. I've got a few mates with nice clean examples of bikes, but mine, not bad bikes, fucking love it, absolutely love it, nothing wrong with it, wouldn't replace it. If it was a nice clean example, it would have been looked after by the previous owner as well, but unfortunately, due to how I bought it and getting it delivered, I didn't quite see the condition of it prior to getting it, and it's not bad, it's just not perfect, if that makes sense. But I start a new job soon, and I'm fortunate enough that I'll be getting paid door to door commuting in a company van, which will allow all my riding to become leisure as opposed to like domestic, I suppose, as insurance would call it. That kind of excites me. It means I can upgrade my bike in the next few months to a nice clean example that can stay in the garage and collect dust instead of scratches when it needs to. Yeah, the idea of being able to, or not having to commute on a bike is quite nice. Much as it makes me want to get up and go to work and then want to be able to ride the bike. I think there'll be a different kind of enjoyment when it comes to only riding when I want to ride, not when I need to ride. Because at the moment my car's off the road, I haven't been using it, which makes having the choice difficult. I'm always wary. This is where I got pulled over last time. I pulled away in that lane a bit too quick. Jumped out in the road from this bus stop and stopped me. Got myself a careless driving course. Lovely stuff. But knee down. I suppose back to the whole commuting conversation, what that does bring as well is an increased risk of coming off and crashing, and not because you're commuting, but there is contributing factors to that, like the traffic and things I like. But the more miles you do and the more you're on the road, then the higher probability you got coming off, and that's just one of the evils of riding, I suppose, or commuting, sorry, as opposed to riding. Last time I checked, mate, light was still red. Shabash. V-Power, only it's cheap here, man. Look, 143.9 per litre for V-Power. Pretty sure by my house it's at 155 for normal, let alone V-Power. It's actually mental. Back to the point I was raising earlier in the ride about commuting. You know, with that comes commuting versus leisure and sports bike versus naked, and I suppose the pros and cons are both almost impossible to actually pinpoint which one would ever outweigh the other one for any particular reason, other than obviously naked bikes around town, sports bikes straight line, not even straight line, but more frivolous riding. I really want to get myself a Daytona 675, but then I also really want to get myself an MT-09. I know they're not really that similar even remotely, other than both being a 3-cylinder, but I just can't choose, can't put my, I can't choose which one I'd rather have. The naked, I've always had naked, I've only ever had dirt bikes, naked, supermotors, I've never had a sports bike. I think that's part of the reason I'd really like one. However, I don't know if that's the reason, that should be the reason that I do get one though. Ah, I forgot. School traffic, man. This is why I buy a bike, people. Right, that's where I spend my whole fucking life, at traffic lights, man. These are gonna be some batty man freeway control. Oh no. Huh? Way control. Great. Oh, motorbike, motorbike. This 30500 every day, I think it's pulling out. If it's illegal to do this, not that. I swear, every time I get on this bike, there's cretin after cretin after cretin.